Hello again, folks. Here's just a quick update to the latest restoration I completed at the BC Farm Museum. This is the 1936 Model 30. It was actually a Model 31 because it had a gasoline engine on it. So I'm just running it through its paces with an electric motor that I switched out while the gasoline engine is being restored. As I mentioned in a previous video, we decided to not restore this to showroom condition because we already have one that I restored to showroom condition. So this is basically untouched cosmetically. I did a little bit of buffing on the crown just to clean, the aluminum oxide corrosion off of it, but I didn't buff it to a polish. So it's sort of like a satin finish. But other than that, it's pretty much just cleaned up. All the excess grease through the years and what have you. So this is original patina from 1936. And we'll just do a quick look at the wash action here. So running beautifully, as they always do when they're restored especially. They do such a great job. So I'm just running it through its paces to get the grease all evenly distributed through the power unit so that it's going to last, heck, another 80 years hopefully. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching. Until next time.